Hi guys, so welcome to my page, Curly Versosa dash freelancer. It's gonna be a video, a welcome video to all of you who liked this video and joined the group for our upcoming program called the 365 Days Canva Design Challenge. So I will give you a quick walkthrough of what's gonna happen starting June 1st. It's a commitment or a program that I created and I would like to share with you guys this for free. It's because I've seen a lot of people na nawalan ng trabaho or di kaya gusto matuto mag-graphics. And sometimes, hindi ko naman pwedeng isa-isahin na one-on-one magtuturo. So, I'd rather have one place kung saan pwede nating balikan yung mga videos and pwede nating, ano mo yun, i-scan ulit, pabalik yung mga natututunan natin na tutorial. So, with that being said, I will share my screen and ito na yung ating program. Let me share my screen. Hmm. So, right now, if you can see my screen, this is the program that I've been talking about. Pinost ko siya dun sa page ko and I also posted din sa profile ko and some of you already responded, joined the group. I even posted it sa Instagram and may mga tao din na nag-join. And I'm so happy kahit na sa 17 pa lang yung nagla-like no, or nag-join. I'm really joyful that, alam mo yun, we really have to start small kung minsan. And pero yung mission natin is big. Okay, everything starts small and then dream big. Okay, nasingit ko pa yun. So today, ito yung ating banner. Somehow nakita nyo to somewhere sa inyong timeline. So it's called 365 Days Canva Design Challenge and ang ating tagline is discovering your creative eye because I believe that's gonna be my mission is to help you discover that creative eye. Uh, this program will go on for 365 days. So kung nagtataka kayo, there are challenge na very short lang. Like for example, 30 days, ganyan. But this challenge will go on for a year. Why? Because I believe if you really want to be an expert on something, you really have to do it every single day. 30 days, yes, it would create a habit. But every single day is a continuous learning process. So even if lagpas na tayo ng 365 days, you will always, ano pa rin, continue na mag-aral ng design. Okay? So, okay, bulol ka girl, will be becoming expert by learning. Okay? So, how did I come up with this program is because I have this favorite quote na nag-strike sa akin and sobrang it got me thinking. And it's called A Creative Adult is the Child Who Survived. And sabi ko, may mga tao that they feel na hindi sila creative, pero ang totoo niyan, they were creative when they were child. Imagine, nung child tayo, di ba? Um, anything is possible. And I can even vividly remember when I was a child, ako yung naka-assign mag-pray sa gabi. And then I would pray na sana umulan ng pera, sana bumagsak yung bahay kasi gusto ko may sarili na kaming bahay. For someone, it sounds silly, lalo na sa mga adult, kasi it's my imagination as a child versus the reality na imposibleng mangyari yun. But yun yung gigisingin natin sa ating sarili is yung the child in us na kahit na lumaki na tayo, naniniwala pa rin tayo that we're creative, that anything is possible. Anything is possible and yung aalagaan natin yung bata na yon na naniwala na uh, the younger version of us, anything is possible when we were creative. So yun, yung aking pinagmulan ng mission na to. So ang mangyayari for the next 365 days, ito po siya. So for now, ang nakaprepare sa akin, ipapakita ko dito is yung ating schedule for the month of June. Okay, so every single day meron tayong challenge na gagawin. It's gonna be random, kahit ano, i-design natin, and then i-explain ko to maybe in a form of video, maybe in a form of a post or anything. As long as I can help you and guide you on how to edit these types of design. Okay. So you can also see here that we have two live session every month, which is every Sunday, every 2 weeks. Check in tayo if ano ba yung mga progress na natin, if we're really doing great, ganun ganon. Pwede ding, pwede din na it can be live editing, ganyan. So that's what I can promise. Two live session every month. And the rest will be video, post, as long as we can tackle each design type. And lahat lang yon, I will do my best to give it to you guys. So yeah, I hope you're excited seeing this calendar kasi ako nung ginagawa ko to, ano ba yung, hindi ko alam kung paano ko pupunuin yung isang month. But then nagawa ko siyang punuin and all I have to do is execute and every single day makikita nyo yan na ma, ma, mangyayari tong project na to na ginawa ko because this is my heart for designing and I wanted to share it with you guys. Okay ba yun? Okay. So I'm gonna have a page walkthrough just to guide you on how to para man para naman mapunta kayo sa tamang page. So it's gonna be here. Okay, let me go to my page. So this is the page that I created for myself as a freelancer kasi yun na po yung aking path na pinupuntahan ngayon, which is freelancing. However, I decided to create small programs to help my fellow freelancers. You know, while I'm doing this, I'm also learning, guys. So I don't think masasayang siya. So when you go here sa page ko, if you can like it, appreciate ko talaga. And if you go to groups, yan, the groups. So as you can see, we already have 17 members here. And click mo lang yung group and then mag-join kayo dito. For my interface, naka-invite siya kasi admin ako. But for you, ang makikita mo dito is a join group. So it's easy to join kasi wala naman atang qualification akong nilagay dito and this group is public. You can join anytime. So, yan. I will have more announcement aside from this poster here. You just have to wait and yan. So this is the page that kung saan tayo mag-aaral. Next, may ano bumalik? Oh, so, okay. So, after ng walkthrough, sana mahanap niyo yun. And mag-link din naman ako sa caption ng video na to para mas maging madali sa inyo. And at the end of 365 days, my mission is ito. I am on a mission of helping 100 newbie designers this year to help them open their creative eye and turn this into career and earn money online. So if you're looking for free, okay, free na budol ka girl talaga. Number two. So if you're looking for something free na magtuturo sa inyo ng on how to create or on how to design in Canva, this might be the sign that you're looking for. So ano pang hinihintay mo, hop onto my page, go to groups and join. We will start this program on June 1st until June 1, 2021 and mag-end tayo ng June 1, 2022. I'm very committed to this program talaga. So, I hope to see you sa group and welcome to this first ever program that I hosted for designing tutorial, which is the 365 days Canva Design Challenge, discovering your creative eye. So, See you there sa page and I hope you enjoy this journey of learning design with me. Bye-bye!